Hello viewers, today we are going to make chatpata karela. For that we are going to prepare a masala that you can see over here. I have taken some red Kashmiri chili, some cloves, 4 to 3 cloves, some black pepper, kalonji, some til and coriander seeds, dana methi, 1 cardamom, and we will fry it for 2 minutes. Then we'll prepare a masala first, then we go for the karela sabji. In that same pot we are going to add some masala like some hing. I am going to add a little bit of hing, Kashmiri red chili powder about 1 teaspoon, jeera powder that also 1 teaspoon, dhania powder that also 1 teaspoon, little bit of turmeric powder, now we are going to make a fine powder out of it. That same pan I am going to add some oil, about 1 teaspoon of oil. In this oil I am going to add 6 to 7 cloves, 6 to 7 garlic cloves and half inch of ginger and 1 medium size onion to it. We will fry it till golden brown. In between I have prepared the karelas bitter gourd. I have just washed it, cut it and soak it with salt for minimum 10 minutes, then wash it again and just shallow fry it. You can deep fry also, but shallow fry also tastes good. So we will prepare in between this so that we can add in time to the curry. Now the masala is ready. We are going to grind it. So let's transfer to the bowl. Let's make another masala here. That garlic, onion and ginger I have taken over here in this grinder. With this I am going to mix 1 cup of hung curd, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric. That masala we have prepared just now, I am going to add 4 teaspoon. One teaspoon of salt, some mint leaves, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala and 1 teaspoon of 1 teaspoon of chole masala. Here the paste is ready. Now let's prepare the curry. That same pan I have taken. Let's add some mustard oil to it. Karela is taste good in mustard oil. You can use any other refined oil. About 2 tablespoons of mustard oil I have taken. Now I am going to add some salt to it to avoid or to reduce the smell of mustard oil. Now we are going to add some jeera, about 1 teaspoon of jeera and some kasturi methi. Then we are going to mix it and add the masala that we have earlier prepared. I am going to add some red chili powder for the color in the oil. We are going to add little water. We will cook it for 5 to 7 minutes like this. Then we'll add some hot water in between, little, about 3 to 4 tablespoons of hot water in between, and we will fry it till it's done. Here I am going to add some hot water to it. Mix it and cook it again for 5 minutes. Cover it. Here I am going to add 2 teaspoons of tamarind paste, some black pepper powder, mix it. Here we are going to add little bit of jaggery. Again I am going to put some hot water to it, about half cup. Mix it and cover it. Cook it for another 5 minutes. Add some coriander to it. Now we are going to add the Karela to it. Mix it properly. Again we are going to add some hot water to it. Then we'll cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. We will only add hot water so that the cooking process will not stop. Then we'll add some kasturi methi. Cover it. Now it is ready. You can see it's looking amazing. You can take it with roti, chapati, bhakri,